If you love handbags, this reel is definitely for you. Imagine getting 60 to 70% off top brands. Macy's is the place to go. But here's the thing. If you're outside the US, the deals won't be the same, and not all brands show up. Easy fix. Just turn on a VPN and set it to the US. Now that's when the real offers show up. Exclusive brands and bigger discounts. Choose Save and Clearance, then go to Handbags. After that, use the filters. Pick the discount you want and the brand you love. And now, let me show you what I found. The first one is from Coach. It was $450, but now it's only $270. You save $180. The second one is from Michael Kors. It was $398. Now it's just $160. You save $238. And the third one is from Calvin Klein. It was $188, but now it's only $75. You save $130. The smartest shoppers find these deals. Smart shippers use Stackry. Simply add your Stackry address at the checkout of any of your favorite stores. Shop from any US retailer without paying any US sales tax. You can save big on shipping when Stackry's expert team consolidates your packages from multiple US retailers. Unlock more savings with our repacking service. Your items are repacked and protected in a smaller, cost-effective shipment. Choose from our list of trusted shipping partners so you can ship home with confidence. Stackry's support team will always be there to help, giving you peace of mind every step of the way. Stackry, we've got this.